Welcome back to the Armchair Meddler, where I review news videos, usually of a sensational nature, and I give you my opinion. Even though you didn't ask for my opinion, that's what makes me the Armchair Meddler. Okay, so let's see, what are we looking at? Suspect in stolen box truck rams 2 patrol cars to escape arrest. Okay, and I believe maybe this is happened, I should say, in Seattle. But I want to remind you that I have not watched this video beforehand. I will experience it along with you for the very first time. But before we do that, make sure you're subscribed. Also press that like button. Now let's not delay. Let's get into the video.
This is a stolen box truck. On February 7th, our deputies were dispatched to a home in unincorporated Puyallup to contact 2 people that were passed out inside of that stolen vehicle. Take a look and see what happened when they tried to arrest them.
I'm surprised he didn't wake up when my siren all of a sudden went off. He's occupied by 2. So you got a male and female. The sheriff's department, let me see your hands. Hands. Put your hands up. Because you're in a stolen truck. Let me see your hands. I'm going to shatter this window and pull you out. I'm going to shatter this window and pull you out. Let me see your hands. Stop. No, I said it. Stop. Let me see your hands. Stop. Let me see your hands. Stop. Show us your hands. Okay. Let me see your hands. Stop.
So I'm just wondering, this is a stolen box truck, and of course they found that it was occupied with the 2 people in it, the guys behind the steering wheel, I believe. But the question is, why did they not have stop sticks right there behind the tires? Unless, perhaps, I don't know, maybe they did put them back there. Maybe I missed that. But yeah, why not have the stop sticks there so that maybe this suspect can't back up this truck, and now at this point he's slamming into patrol cars. But let's continue.
Please stop! I think please stop the car! You're under arrest!
Westbound on 192nd Ave. Negative, my car's totaled.
I saw exactly where he went through it.
Deputies believe the driver was possibly driving impaired, given he was passed out in the driveway and had narcotic paraphernalia all around him. A K-9 deputy located the vehicle and attempted to stop it, but the suspect continued to flee. The suspect ended up crashing into another vehicle and a ditch before he took off on foot.
Right through that pool. Sheriff's Department, is number 65, police dog. Make yourself known, dog, find you.
The K-9 deputy stayed to detain the passenger, and when more deputies arrived, he attempted to track the suspect. Unfortunately, we were unable to locate him, but we were able to positively identify him. A few days later, an undercover deputy located our suspect in another stolen vehicle. When they attempted to stop him, he again fled, and we were unable to pursue. But that's not where the story ends. On February 4th, undercover deputies again located our suspect. This time, we were to get to him before he got behind the wheel of a vehicle.
Come here, stop.
What's up, where?
No. Somebody says, police! Police! I'm good. Are you done? Give us our hands, Paul. You good? You good? Give us this one. You good? You good?
As you can see, this suspect left both of our vehicles mangled and out of service. Now he will be out of commission as he awaits trial for charges for 2 counts of possession of a stolen vehicle, felony eluding, possession of stolen property, and felony vandalism.
Yeah, so there you see the police cruiser. I believe it's 2 of them that were severely damaged. I don't know. It looks like maybe this vehicle is totaled. I don't know about the other one. Anyhow, that's going to wrap up this episode of the Armchair Meddler. Once again, make sure you're subscribed. Also press that like button, and we will see you on the next video.